Meaning of dance.
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 Dance. Dance is a form of artistic expression that involves rhythmic body movements to music in a coordinated and graceful manner. It is a cultural activity that can be performed individually or in groups and varies in style and genre. Dancing can be both entertaining and communicative, conveying emotions, themes, and messages to the audience. The result of dance is a performance that showcases artistry, skill, and creativity. It can bring people together, inspire, and evoke a range of emotions, from joy and happiness to sadness and reflection.